my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Evelyn. I'm one of the beauty influencer. I do a lot of makeup videos, product reviews, and all that other jazz. And in today's video, I'm actually going to give you guys this reverse cat eye look. It's going popular all over social media. Everybody's doing it. It's kind of like a classic look coming back, but I put a little twist on it, and I actually did a brown reverse cat eye look instead of black. So hope you guys will enjoy this look. So before we waste any more time, we're gonna get into this video, but you know what I'm gonna say before you leave. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time I'm posting a video you will get a notification. And let's just not waste any more time and get into this video. Love you all, take care, bye. Reverse eye look, it's been going so all over social media again, especially on TikTok, even though it's been like such a old and such a classic look, but it's just like people are recreating their own kind of versions now. So I already did a video, but I just wanted to make this video for YouTube, just showing you guys a reverse cat eye look using a brown eyeliner instead of a black. So I just thought, why wouldn't I just go and film this look for you guys so you can see how I do it. So I already kind of prepped my face base, and I already prepped my brows and also my eyes. So I'm just gonna go ahead straight with the eyeliner, and today I'm going to use Colourpop cream gel liner, and this one is in shade called Mr. Bing, and it's a really nice brown shade. Basically I'm going to start putting this in my lower lash line and just gonna map out the actual kind of like the look. So I'm gonna kind of just map out the look first. Gonna apply the liner first, and then I'm going to take my Zoeva 226 smudger brush. This is a really good brush to do this kind of job because it just does the job for you, so you don't have to do a lot of work. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start smudging this. I'm also going to take the same pencil and just going to extend the line a little bit, like creating a wing. Just don't be too perfect with this because we're gonna go ahead and apply some liquid liner or a pen liner or even like a gel liner, whatever you want to use, but just keep it nice and smooth so there is a shape there definitely to work with, just creating that perfect kind of cat eye wing. I'm going to use this Glam eyeshadow palette, and this one is Ombre on Replay palette. It's a really nice palette. Again, I'm taking this particular shade from the palette. It's called Rom-Com. Such a cute name Glam eyeshadow palettes have. And I'm just going to take this on a pencil brush, and I'm going to apply just below where where I did the smudging, kind of like to diffuse it so there is nice gradient. At any point you feel like you lost the actual darkness, like actual brown color, go back with your gel liner and apply it again. Gonna go back with my gel liner and apply this in my waterline. I'm also going to take the same color Rom-Com on a Sigma E25 brush, and I'm just gonna apply this a little bit in my transition just to give a little bit more depth to the outer part of my eye. I'm just using my Sigma E25 brush. I don't want it to be too intense or anything, but I still want a little bit of the drama there. Liquid liner, I'm using my Guerlain liquid liner. Guerlain is my favorite brand when it comes to liquid eyeliners, especially from higher end perspective. It's really good, and this particular eyeliner in brown is actually a matte finish instead of a glossy finish, so it goes really nicely with this kind of look. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start by creating a wing. Oops. Wing which is going from the top to bottom is going to be more from bottom to top. So the line you created at the bottom, that should be your ending point. So once you had this, you're gonna go back with your gel liner and apply it just below where you put the liquid liner, especially on the outer part. You're basically just going to go back with your smudger brush and just smudge the outer part of your eye. Shadows called Cocoa Bear. I don't think so this one isn't actually available on their website anymore, but I'm sure you can find any dark brown eyeshadow. And I'm just going to take this on a wing eyeliner brush and I'm just going to create inner corner. Just going to extend the whole thing to my inner corner so it gives me a very elongated eye. When you're doing your inner corner, it's best to do it with the powder eyeshadow so you have a less chance of bleeding or your eyes getting watery and the product coming off. Okay. Apply the eyeshadow, you're gonna have something like this kind of look. I'm gonna take the same shade, Cocoa Bear, and with the same Sigma E25 brush, and I'm just gonna put this just below my transition, just on the outer part of my eye. I'm going to curl my lashes using my Kevyn Aquan curler. This look is very much rely on the pair of lashes you're gonna put on. So this kind of look will need something super duper dramatic. Today I'm actually going to use Lilly lashes. And I'm gonna apply the style Miami because it's a really intense and it's really full lashes, and this kind of look I really need something super duper dramatic. But before I apply my lashes, I'm just gonna go ahead and coat my lashes with my Covergirl Lash Blast Clean Mascara. And I'm using my Lilly lashes in style Miami. This is such a dramatic pair, so it's really gonna make this look goes to really to the next level. Already applied a lash glue. I only like using my own brand lash glue because my lash glue is super duper thick, and once you apply your lashes, it's not gonna move until I'm ready to take them off myself. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop these beautiful bad boys on. And you will see yourself, it will immediately change the whole look. That's why finding a right pair of lash going with your actual look is extremely important. Once again, and just go over the lash so I don't have a thick lash band showing, instead it will look like it's a liner. And I'm just gonna apply some mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm also going to take a black eyeliner and I'm just going to tight line my upper waterline so I don't have any gap showing in between my lashes. This is the way you can make your lashes look super duper full. Even if you don't want to wear a false lash but you want your own lashes to look super duper full, use a black eyeliner and tight line your upper lash line so it gives you more fuller look. Here I already contoured my lips, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the shade Kimberly from KKW Beauty. It's a really nice shade for especially a look like this where you want your lips to look really nice, full, pouty, but bit nude, but bit juicy at the same time. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. I'm also going to top this up with my Essence Lip Plumping Gloss, and this one is in shade Big Softy. This particular glosses are actually not available from Essence anymore, but you can find any lip plumping gloss or any gloss and just apply on top of this. And there we have it, guys. So this is the final look. I love doing this technique. It's so stunning. All the classic looks are usually one of the best ones to do. This look you can really rock it with even black liner, even brown liner. I think even with colored liner, it's such a stunning look to do. It's so glamorous, so sexy, so perfect for evening, so perfect for even daytime. Even if you just wear some less dramatic lashes, you can rock this look even during the daytime. It's such a perfect date night look. Amazing. The whole focus will be on your eyes, and it's such a stunning and beautiful look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. All the products I used today will be mentioned in the description box below, alongside the discount code for the SheGlam website. My discount code, I will mention that in a description box as well. If you are interested to try any of the SheGlam if you are interested to try any of the SheGlam products, you can use my discount code. You will get 15% off all over SheGlam website. So do check them out if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I shall see you guys next time. Love you all. Take care. Bye guys.